Hello guys, so it's 7th of May, Sensex expiry day. I hope all of you have done well. Last Nifty expiry day, I have shown you how I made a profit of 2.5 lakhs just by using capital 2 lakhs. Now here, it's again a beautiful day, but we got into some traps also. Now we are getting the move. Market is not yet over. So I'm done with my trade. So I thought of doing the video and quick post-market analysis and close the, let me go and sleep so that I can trade in US market also. So that's my routine. Okay, now let me share the screen and then I'll explain. Okay, so here, this is a profit. Actually, we had very good profit. Our views on the upside, right? We got this trade, we got the upside move. Here, if you see, this is a CPR in futures. Futures are trading slightly with less premium today. So this came first, right? So futures came to the CPR and the Camarilla pivot level, which is our most important level. So from S3 itself, you got the first spike, beautiful one. I got that. And then from here, I got this spike. Okay. And then this also I got. But what happened is with this, we were in a profit of 1.5 lakhs. The same which you see here, we were in a profit of 1.5 lakhs. And then what happened is at one point, the strike price I was trading with 2 lakh something profit. And then what happened is this, I just got stuck in this trade. Okay, I placed an order and then I couldn't exit and almost 150, 200 point it came down. So that I've taken out almost all the profit. That's my mistake. I didn't notice that order. And then afternoon, we did some couple of scalping also and got some more opportunities. So it's like, it's a very good day, right? As we expected. If you look at my pre-market analysis, that itself is enough. So you got this opening trade once you got the dip, right? It came exactly to 24,300 level. If you remember, I told you this is a support which you can get right at the opening, right? Either 350 or 300 level because the market is opening above 350, which means once it comes to 350 to 300 level, you're going to get the first support. You got it beautifully. And then next, where is the best opportunity? Your 20 MA, that gave you the trade. And then next will be like this is the level in futures you need to look at them, right? Because future was trading. If you see, I'll show you. Nifty is 31 point down at this point of time, but if you look at futures, futures is almost 78 point down. Now this even got corrected after this big spike. Otherwise there was a difference, even further big difference, and that's the reason why it came to this future level. So it's the S3 level. So first time when they came, you got an amazing spike in the call premium. I got that. And then came to CPR, S3. This is our confluence area. From there, you go. Look at this yesterday. Yesterday also, if you see what happened, see this from S3 and P. In the mentoring session also, I'm talking about this. Today, you are going to get the similar scenario like what you got yesterday and wait for this level. Let it come there and then you get that opportunity. Look at what happened from here. Isn't it the same, right? You see the price action yesterday. From here, it just came down. From here, it just came down, came to your CPR and this S3 level. You got as first bounce. Here also you got a first bounce and then you started seeing this bounce. They crossed the 20 MA. Here also they crossed the 20 MA and then boom. And this was not an expiry day, so it's sustained. But here it was an expiry day, so a lot of adjustments will happen. Once you got the spike, call premium have spiked so much. So you saw an aggressive selling at around 24,500 call side and they pushed it down. Now, the moment you taken out this completely, then you know it's not going to be a buyer's day. Then it is going to be completely sideways. So ultimately what they did, this is the opening candle. Where is it now? It's in between the opening first candle itself. So who got the benefit? Those who sold the call, they got the benefit. Those who sold the put, they got the benefit. Those who sold straddle, they got the benefit. I have good put position at this level. I had good call position also at this level. So all, whether you sold a straddle, 920 straddle, you worked out. Directionally, you sold a put on the bounce. You sold a call on the bounce. You got it. Directionally, you sold a put on the dip. You got it, right? Even you bought a call option, you got it good. You bought a put option at the level, you got it good. So it's a very beautiful market. Just that I made one mistake and all happened in a flash also. So after this, I was looking for a move like this. Even I got this and then I placed an order. I just went to washroom. When I came back, I got a meeting also. One person has came. So there were around 1200 quantity and I lost around, 120 points in that. So that is, 1.4 lakh. In a flash, I didn't even realize that the order was there. And otherwise, it would have been a big day, even much bigger day with the capital that we have. But anyway, I'm happy to settle with whatever I got. It's my mistake. So sometimes that can happen. So the point is, only thing that I want to tell you is just look at the pre-market analysis, right? Now, even now, after watching the price action, if you watch the pre-market analysis, you will understand how the price is moving, how the market is reacting, how the expiry play is happening, why market is reacting in this way to global news, right? So everything is, even now, if you go and watch the pre-market analysis I've done, you'll get clarity on what happened today, right? So again, that is about the knowledge, but knowledge alone is not enough to implement and execute when it comes to the live market. For that, you need the skill. So we have the live market mentoring program for that. In case, if you're not able to trade based on the pre-market or post-market analysis, still we have the live market analysis where we trade and analyze the market on the go. So you can see the trades, and with my trades, we will be teaching you. So you can get in touch with us. I share the details in the description, and we can trade together, we can learn together, we can earn together. See you there. Thank you.